Most Australians know they should be investing, but they have no idea how to actually buy their first ETF. So they wait and wait, and every month they don't start costs them thousands in lost compound growth. Today, we fix that in under 10 minutes. Buying your first ETF in Australia is not complicated, but nobody ever walks you through it step by step. Banks don't teach it, schools don't teach it, and most finance content online is either too basic or too technical. This is the video I wish I had when I started. Here's the problem. Most people overthink this. They spend months researching the perfect ETF, the perfect platform, the perfect time to buy. Meanwhile, the market keeps going up, and they keep sitting on the sidelines with cash, earning 4% in a savings account, while the share market historically returns 9% or more. Analysis paralysis is costing you money right now. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Choose your platform. In Australia, you have several options for buying ETFs. The three best for beginners are Perla, sharesies, and CommSec Pocket. Perla is designed specifically for long-term investors. It has an auto-invest feature that automatically buys your chosen ETF every week or month without you doing anything. Sharesies is slightly cheaper for small amounts and has a clean, simple interface. CommSec Pocket is backed by Commonwealth Bank and is great if you already bank with CBA. For most beginners, I recommend Perla because the auto-invest feature removes emotion from the equation entirely. Step 2. Open your account. Go to your chosen platform, sign up with your email, verify your identity with your driver's license or passport, and link your bank account. This takes about 10 minutes. You'll need your tax file number too. Have it ready. Most platforms approve your account within 24 to 48 hours. Step 3. Choose your ETF. For most Australian beginners, the two best starting ETFs are VAS and VGS. VAS gives you exposure to the 300 largest Australian companies and pays strong dividends with franking credits. VGS gives you exposure to over 100 global companies across 23 countries, including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. A simple starting portfolio is 70% VGS and 30% VAS. If you can only pick one, VGS gives you broader global diversification, which reduces your risk. Step 4. Decide how much to invest. You do not need a lot of money to start. Perla lets you invest from as little as $100. Sharesies lets you start with even less. The amount matters far less than the consistency. $200 per month invested automatically every month for 20 years at a 9% return gives you over $130,000. The habit is more important than the amount. Step 5. Set up automatic investing. This is the most important step and the one most people skip. On Perla, go to your portfolio settings and set up an auto-invest. Choose your ETF, choose your amount, choose your frequency, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and link it to your bank account. From that point forward, your investment happens automatically. You don't have to remember, you don't have to log in, you don't have to think about it. You are now an investor on autopilot. Step 6. Turn on dividend reinvestment. When your ETFs pay dividends, which VAS does quarterly and VGS does twice a year, make sure those dividends are automatically reinvested back into more units of your ETF rather than paid into your bank account. This is how compound growth accelerates over time. Dividends buying more units, which earn more dividends, which buy more units. It snowballs. Step 7. Leave it alone. Seriously, do not check your portfolio every day. Do not panic when the market drops 10%, and it will drop at some point. That is normal. Do not sell when things look scary. The investors who build real wealth are the ones who stay invested through the ups and the downs. Set your auto-invest, reinvest your dividends, and check in quarterly at most. Here is your action plan for this week. Day 1. Sign up for Perla or sharesies. Day 2. Verify your identity and link your bank account. Day 3. Make your first purchase of VGS or VAS. Day 4. Set up your automatic monthly investment. Day 5. Turn on dividend reinvestment and walk away. 5 days. That is all it takes to go from zero to a fully automated investing machine working for you in the background every single day. If this helped you, subscribe to Volt Finance HQ. We post every week to help Australians build real wealth.